Okay, let's talk. Some of you may have seen in my other platforms that I jumped off of the Sky Tower in Auckland, New Zealand. So I really wanted to talk a little bit about that experience in this video. Some of you may have just saw it, but a lot of you may not know why I decided to do that, because when I did post the video, a lot of people were like, that's crazy, I would never do that. Why would you do that? That's so risky. Honestly, when I decided to do the experience, I had a couple of things in mind when I was doing it. I have been on this journey to live my life in the fullest way possible. I wanted to make sure that I was taking every experience I can, and as you guys already know, part of that was deciding to take the leap and go to New Zealand. So in doing that, I wanted to look at my bucket list and see what things that I can accomplish while I was in New Zealand. One of the things on my bucket list was bungee jumping. I've never done bungee jumping before, and when I found out that I could do it in New Zealand, little technical difficulties. All right, you may have known that I've been on this journey not only just to travel, but on this just journey for my life, that just seeking happiness and chasing happiness and doing whatever is going to make me excited and really just living my life to the fullest. Part of my journey was looking at things that I wanted to do in my life and taking the opportunity to just do them and make them happen. I've never done bungee jumping before, and I was super excited to do it. I really thought it would be an exciting experience. I wanted to find an experience that was going to show that and signify me making that leap into another country, and I figured bungee jumping would be the easiest way. So apparently bungee jumping is a really big thing in New Zealand, and they have all types of experiences in doing it. So I am going to probably be doing more experiences in it because it was super fun. But I wanted to do something big, and I saw that you could bungee jump off of a super tall tower in Auckland, the Sky Tower, and I was like, that's it. That is the thing that I'm going to do. I'm going to jump off a building, and I really wanted to prove to myself to be fearless with my life and just chase after every opportunity, no matter how scared I was, and I wanted to really be fearless. Bruh. In this experience, so I was gonna do it. So I decided to make the appointment so that way I wouldn't have any reason to back out of it. I had to do it, and it was kind of expensive. I think it was about $200 if I'm not mistaken. And then when I went, I found out that I also got a t-shirt, and I also wanted to do photos and videos, because you can't do something crazy like that and not get photos and video. So I got photos and videos of the entire experience, so that was also what made it a little bit more expensive. So it can be cheaper if you don't do the photos and videos, but who's gonna do that experience and not get the photos and videos? So I wanted everything. I wanted the whole package. So I did the whole package, and I got a t-shirt, and I got a certificate saying that, you know, I conquered my fear, and or something like that, and I jumped off of a building. So it was super cool. When I showed up at the experience, I started getting a little nervous, but I was also excited. It was also excited and nervous as well. When it got closer to time, I was finally standing on the top of the building and getting pumped up, but it was also really windy, and I was super disappointed too because it was raining that day, so I didn't think I was going to be able to make the jump. And when I called the people, they told me that I was still going to be able to jump even if it rained, and I didn't want to reschedule. And I was like, nope, I'm gonna do it, because I felt like if I rescheduled, then I might like talk myself out of it. So I decided that I was going to just go ahead and do it. Even though it was raining, I was just like, whatever, I'm just gonna do it. And if it's raining, whatever. So I decided to do the jump while it was raining, and as I was standing at the top of the edge of the building, the wind is just blowing in my face. It's so hard. It's blowing really, really hard at this point, and it's almost like I'm about to fall off, and I'm hooked up to everything, and they're kind of holding me steady before I have to make the jump. And it was nerve-wracking because they're taking forever to like hook everything up, obviously to make sure I'm safe. But you know, I was just expecting that I was gonna go up and just jump, so that way I wouldn't have to think about it. Time went on as he was like hooking me up to my my bungee gear. It made me even more nervous to do the jump. So he finally said that he was going to count down to 3, and I just had to jump. So he counts down to 3, and I jump, and it was insane. Like, my stomach, like kind of did a flip, but then it was just free falling, just right all the way down, and I loved it. It was so fun, and I'm just so excited that I did it. And I think it was just the thing that I needed to be able to start off my trip right. I'd had like a couple of experiences already, but this was a really big one. So I was glad to start it off doing that. I needed to do something crazy, I felt like, to start off my trip. The last reason, I felt like I didn't want to live my life in fear. And I think between deciding to move to New Zealand and just my life in general, I was living in this fear because I got caught up in everything around me telling me what I was supposed to be doing with my life, where I'm supposed to be going with my life, how my life is supposed to be. And I didn't really want that anymore. I just wanted to be free, and I wanted this to be the moment I made a promise to myself that I was going to be free and do whatever I wanted and felt like was the right thing for me, and not think about all the noise and what everyone else was doing, and just think about me and what was best for me. And I was super excited to go and do this and show to other people that they could be fearless too. I really wanted to show other people that they could be fearless. So I did that with that experience, and I'm so proud that I could do that and show other people that they could do it too. There are some people that are still saying I'm crazy and they would never do it. My dad doesn't even think bungee jumping is something people should be doing. He thinks the cord is too small and it's dangerous, and he's just like, yeah, people should not be on that thing. Also, just to let you know, I have traveler's insurance, so it's not like I'm doing this like with the risk, yes, but I also have traveler's insurance, so if anything does happen while I'm out there, I can definitely have myself covered for those type of things, like skydiving and any crazy adrenaline rush things. So that's why I also feel free to try those things. I think we only get one life, and I don't want to live my life in fear and thinking that I can't do anything. There are people that wish they could do these experiences and have the experiences, and I was like, I don't want to miss out on anything life has to offer. I really want to say that I lived and I was happy. So that's why I decided to jump off of the building, because I felt like that's exactly what I needed at this point in my life. It was so freeing. I definitely think everyone should do it. Everyone should go bungee jump. Everyone should jump off of a building. It was something that by the time I finished, the nerves were obviously gone, and I was just like, I want to do it again. So I definitely want to do it again. So now I'm going to actually show you the video of me jumping off the building if you haven't already seen it yet. And I hope you really like it and hope you enjoy it. Without further ado, let's fly into the video.
I can't wait, our first time, our first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap. I'm loving your vibe, always have your...
I hope you enjoyed that video of me jumping off of a building and just talking more about my experience and why I decided to jump off of a building. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and to subscribe on the video so you can see more content like this, and it also reaches more people who might be interested and like this video. And with that, I will catch you on the next journey. I want you to... Why do I keep forgetting this? Oh, I can't keep recording this thing! Sound cooperate! That's it. This is my last YouTube video. See y'all later. Won't see anything from me. Goodbye.